Get investment ready on Glidelnvest in 5 easy steps. Let's start by clicking on Continue. For smooth and seamless registration process, keep your PAN, a proof of address like Aadhaar card, driving license or passport, and a proof of bank account like cancelled check or your latest bank statement or bank passbook ready. Then press Start to begin. Next, enter your PAN number and date of birth and press the Check KYC button. Next, add your bank account. For proof of bank account, you can upload a cancelled check or your latest bank statement or bank passbook. Upload the document and press Continue. Then, verify all the details and confirm. Next, tap on the Let's Add Nominee button. Enter nominee name, relationship and date of birth, and then press Continue. In case the nominee is a minor, the name of the guardian is required. To get to the next step, tap on Confirm your FATCA details. Select the correct option and continue. The last step is Add your signature. Read the instructions carefully. Then, rotate your phone and sign on the canvas using your finger. Review the signature and continue. Congratulations! You can now start investing in your financial goals. Glidelnvest, making investments stress-free.